There's a rooster and the babies. Come here. Hi. Hi, roosters. Hi, rooster babies. Come over. Hi.
Come over here, Mama. Come over here, Mama.
Come here, rooster babies. Rooster babies.
Rooster babies.
Rooster babies. Hi. Don't get near them, baby. Don't get near them.
Why?
Because I don't want them to peck you. There they are. Hi, roosters. It's a hen rooster hen. Don't get in the mud there. Look how sweet they are.
I'll go see them.
No. Just look from right here.
Hi, roosters.
Just look from right here, honey.
Hi, roosters.
Don't scare them. Not the mamas with the babies, remember?
Hi, roosters.
She's a good mama, huh?
Hi, rooster babies. Hi, rooster babies.
Hi. How are you, Mama Rooster?
Hi.
Don't get near him, honey. Come on, don't get near him. Bin. Bin, tell me what they are. Look at Mama. Look at Mama.
They're chickens.
Look at Mom. Lulu, don't get near them, honey. Don't get too close. Back up, Bin. They're looking for foodies. Bye, roosters. Okay, come on, we're going to go inside.
Bye, roosters.
We'll see you later.
See you later.
Say see you later.
See you later, boo.
Bye. Come on, Bin.
Bye.
Come on. Bye, roosters.